Hello, I'm Saloni Nandan, and today I'm going to tell you a story, The Three Questions, written by Leo Tolstoy. But before we begin the story, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube for more of such videos. Leo Tolstoy was a Russian writer, philosopher, and political thinker who primarily wrote novels and short stories. Tolstoy was a master of realistic fiction, which means his stories were based on the reality of life and is widely considered one of the world's greatest novelists. His ideas on nonviolent resistance had profound impact on Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King Jr. and James Bevel. Story The Three Questions was first published in 1885 as part of the collection What Men Live By and Other Tales. Narrated in the third person, the story is written in the form of a parable. Now, what is a parable? Parable is a simple story used to describe or provide a moral lesson. Now, I will summarize the story to you. In this story, a king desires to become a successful ruler, and for this, he wants to know the answers to the three most important questions of life. Question number 1. What is the right time for any action? Question number 2. Who are the right people to deal with? And question number 3. What is the right thing to do? The king consults many wise men. He even promises to reward them with a large amount of money. For each question, he receives different answers, but none of them is able to satisfy him with their responses. The king then disguises himself as an ordinary man and goes to a wise hermit who lives in a forest in search of the answers to these questions. He asks the hermit again and again for the answers, but the hermit does not reply and keeps digging his flower beds. On seeing this, the king offers to help him. Then, suddenly from the woods emerges a wounded man with blood oozing out from his stomach. The king washes his wounds and bandages it with his handkerchief. He even gives him fresh water to drink and takes him inside the cottage. In the morning, after having rested overnight, the wounded man seeks forgiveness of the king and confesses that he was the king's enemy and had always wanted to kill him because the king had once executed his brother and seized his property. But now, since the king had saved his life, he pledges his lifelong loyalty and faithfulness to the king. On hearing this, the king forgives him and, in an act of kindness, grants him some servants and even his own physician. The king again approaches the hermit and poses the same questions to him. The hermit replies that his questions have already been answered through his own actions. When the king looks puzzled, the hermit says that if he had not pitied the hermit and had not stayed back to help him dig the flower bed, the wounded man would have attacked him. So the right time was when he was digging the beds, and at that time the most important man was the hermit, and it was the right action to help him. Later, when the wounded man came, he was the right man to look after, and the most important action was to help him, and the right time was when the king attended to his wounds, which saved his life. This is how the king finally receives the right answers to his three questions. King had been looking outwards for the answers, while the answers were within him. And this is what the hermit helps the king discover. Now is the right time for any action. The right person is the one with whom you are at present, and the most important thing is doing good for that person. Now let us look at some difficult words and their meanings. Parable, it means a simple story used to illustrate a moral lesson. Disguise, changing one's appearance to hide or cover one's identity. Hermit, a person living in a solitude, that is alone, as a religious disciple. Wounded, it means injured, pledge, to make a promise. Puzzled, it means unable to understand. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon to subscribe to my channel.